So good evening to all. Hope you're doing great. So today in this video, we'll be discussing about Railtel share. So we know that previously when we have discussed about Railtel, so we have done the complete fundamental analysis and also we have seen what are the future prospects. So technical wise, we have discussed all the levels, but we know due to the current situation outside, the stock has also reacted to that in such way and it has corrected to certain extent. So positionally, it is looking very strong. So can we trade positionally, and for long term also what would be the next possible targets? So we'll try to find out that. So technicals are going to be very interesting, so watch the video till the end, and if you're new to the channel then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified. Okay, so before starting our discussion about Railtel, so we know that I've started a separate channel called Stocks Diary Education. So in that particular channel, I'm uploading all the videos for education purpose only related to stock market. So if you're interested, do subscribe to the channel. So my motto is to focus on education and knowledge. So if you're interested, only subscribe, because I am simultaneously recording these videos. Again, I'm uploading those videos also to try to understand and do support and share to maximum people. So if we see deliveries wise, we can see on April 16th we have seen almost 53.4% deliveries have been taken, and you can see stock has corrected only 0.1%. Why that much less correction? So you can see almost it has approached the support region, so it is not able to go below that. So what is the next support? So that also we'll discuss. So try to understand in this that the traded quantity. So basically you can see the traded quantity has completely reduced. You can see negligible traded quantity, so only deliveries are being taken. So whatever the 53.4% you're seeing, so that is completely deliveries have been taken, but nothing traded. Basically what we say trading, what is trading? So buying and selling on the same day. So when traded quantity is more, it implies that volatility is also high, but clearly you can see 0.1% implies that completely traded quantity was not there, so stock was also not volatile. So when it is approaching any major support or any reversal region, so that time the correction also considerably reduces and it will start retracing. So what is that level and all? So we'll discuss. So if you go little down, and you can see continuously the stock has corrected during the past week because of the COVID cases rise. So when that particular update has come, so market was in full panic situation. So that time Railtel also has corrected accordingly. So now let's go to the technical charts. We'll see all the supports and resistances as I told. So what would be the next targets also you'll understand from that particular technical chart. Okay, so we are back onto the technical charts of Railtel. So clearly you can see I start with 1 week chart. So maximum whatever we see in 1 week chart, you need to simplify and then you need to go to 1 day chart. So I have drawn here few lines. Okay, so try to understand that. If you go little bit down, so first I'll start from top. Okay, so if we start from top, you can see this is the first resistive region from where stock has corrected. Okay, that's okay. So after that it has gone little down near 156 region. So after that again it has gone down near the 128. So after breaking the 128, you can see continuously it has corrected and it has gone to the 114 rupees region, that is current market price. Okay, so whatever the lines you can see near the bottom most region, so those are called the supports. Can you see here? So this is one support. Okay, that is going to be very important. So that is ultimate support. Basically what I can say, 105 is going to be ultimate support from where you can expect a very good reversal in the stock. So on or before may also happen. So you need to focus near 1110. So mark these levels. So 1110 and 105. Okay, so between these regions you can enter at any point of time. It's up to you however you enter, but you need to focus that you are making an entry near 105 and 1110. So between these levels you can enter at any point of time. So if you're doing any swing trade, then keep 100 as a very good stop loss. So what you need to keep stop loss, you need to put 100 as a stop loss, and you need to trade between 105 and 1110 rupees region. So that is going to be very important. So from that particular level only we can expect some sort of reversal to happen. So when this trend line, when it has broke this particular trend line, you can see, not trend line basically, when it has broke that particular support, so after that only it has started the correction, and little correction basically it is obvious. So when any stock price is listed, especially IPO time, it is listed at a certain overvalued region. So to overcome that all, to remove that overvaluedness, the stock also correct. So that is what is seen in it. So Burger King also same thing happened. Again, it has retraced to a certain extent. So once the results are also, we know that previous results are also pretty good, so nothing to worry about now. But only thing is that little situation in the market is not that great. So considering those external factors, the stock is also responding in that particular manner. So whatever happens, so focus on these levels. So now let's switch over to the which chart? 1 day chart. So this is 1 week chart. Okay, so this is 1 day chart. So in 1 day chart, you can see clearly, basically you can see how the support and resistance is working out. So whenever it has gone below the support, you can see considerable correction happen starting from here. Now this is the major, I can tell you, region that is going to be a reversal region. So focus on this particular level very cautiously. If you're interested in any short-term gains or swing trade, keeping 100 as a very good stop loss. So definitely you may get returns. So market also, if it is in positive side, then definitely stock also will react in a positive way. So I can say these are only the levels. And if you go a little bit down, the most important thing is money flow index. So money flow index, already it has gone to oversold region once. So can you see here? So when it has approached the support region near the 128, so that time it has gone to oversold. So after that, you can see a very good short-term trading would have given you profit. So after that, it has again corrected because that time market has also crashed. So again, it is trying to go to that oversold region, and you can say that in short term, you may get some very good returns. Long term